said custom.
Look how nice this camera is, dude.
Absolute unit. Good. All right. Hey, tell the people about your truck.
Hey guys, this is my 2005 Nissan Titan. It's got a 6.5-inch lift on the front with
oh my goodness.
Spacers on top.
What
of
are
it,
those?
With some uniball uppers.
Think you're a pre-runner or something?
Basically a pre-runner. I got Pro Comp 35-inch tires and fuel 18-inch, -12 offset, 4.5 inches of back spacing. Yeah.
Oh.
Pretty fucking. Yeah. That's me. That's my truck.
That's all gassed.
Yeah, got a good old toolbox in the back, so I have no bedroom at all.
Oh goddamn.
That's right.
That thing is huge, actually. I got your tools still.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Dude, I hate your thing. What happened to the pin? Look at this now.
The poke.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh no.
God.
Oh.
So you can't see the tire now, I think.
I mean, yeah, it should come out. Once why not?
There we go.
Just gotta be a man. We got the
Walmart special.
Walmart special. We got the Walmart special lights here. It's pretty fucking bright. We just popped out the reverse light out of here. Oh yeah. So this normally it just plugs right into your trailer lights, but instead we're gonna be hooking it up to the reverse lights. We're just gonna splice into it right here, positive, negative. See if that'll power it without blowing a fuse or anything. All right, here's what we're gonna do.
Start the cut and then peel it back with the wire cutters.
Since those wire cutters are so fucking old, do a nice indentation here.
There we go.
Too easy. Just gonna try to make a hole in between these. That way we can feed the wire through. Hopefully have a better chance of it staying in there over the course of its life.
Just a shit ton of fucking electrical tape.
Yep. I'm guessing.
You should do I think you should do the other wire too before you start sticking shit in there.
Yeah.
That way you have more room.
I'm guessing the one with the white stripes positive.
Yeah, I don't know either. Whatever.
Fuck it.
Fucking just send it.
Just sending it.
Just fucking send it.
I'm just gonna wrap that around. Give it a few twists.
It seems about right. It seems like some legit shit right here.
This is.
Alright. Let's fucking try that shit.
Yeah, test it out. Oh yeah! Yeah, electrical tape's the key here. You got no solder. This is all the structural integrity that this is ever gonna have. We're taking this bumper cover off. I'm gonna try to route this wire underneath it and then stick the lights there and there. Hopefully it'll look clean.
Stop for a sec. Let me try something. There we go.
Nice. There's a lot of room now. There, you can like stick my fingers through it.
Really? Hell yeah. Let me hand you the shit then.
Yeah.
It's gonna be just a wire at first. Just pull gently. Let me get the light lined up. Alright, there you go.
Nice.
Keep going. Alright, hold on. There you go.
Money.
Fuck yeah. What do you think it looks? What do you think looks better? Like that?
I feel like that'd be better probably.
You think so?
Yeah, because you can just run the wire right up beside it and you have these that just go right in there.
I want this to look sort of professional. This one right here. And we can get some set screws later. Good. Pretty decent.
Oh yeah, I mean, it'll do the job. We're back. Camera died. This thing's fucking trash. Hate it already. Let's put this tailgate up. Ugh. Hit it, Skeeter. Oh my god. Turn them off. That's pretty good, man.
That's gonna help a lot on the fucking trail. Here, you want to sit in the thing so I can get a snappy